Good day. This is now October 26th of 2024, about 3 p.m. in the afternoon. Now this video is going to be, I think, part 3, maybe part 2, of can you make free electricity from the electricity you're already using? And the answer to that is yes, and I'm going to prove it, not in this video, but the next one. And what I'm going to do today, well, you can see I got all this here, eh? But I decided to disconnect it all and just test these two capacitors that are connected to the light bulb. And, this diode is not connected. Plus the other one down here. Those connect after the next video. So all to do is take the current, show you the current measurements, and then I'll show you my calculations, how much it saves. So this is actually a power supply current saver, just using these two capacitors. So put it on current and AC, and I have to measure this green wire and this white wire. It's kind of difficult to do with one hand. I'm able to tap it down to do that. Okay, let's try this green wire. And it should be about 0.06 amps, I think. Yeah. Oh, it's even lower, 0.05 or 4. Oh, wait a minute. I forgot something. I gotta plug it in to make sure the light bulb's on. There it is, it's on. Now it's right. Maybe this doesn't measure correctly. Oh, 0.24. When before it was 0.22, I think. Okay, I think we better measure what's coming from the wall here. That's what we got to measure. Yeah, that was 0.6 before, now it's 0.07 or 8. Yeah, it goes down to 0.6. 0.06, I mean. And now for this, okay, I'm going to have to set this down for a moment to get the meter underneath that wire. Hold on. There it is, and it's measuring correctly what I want to, which is 0.022. Okay. Now I can get out of there. And I'll just turn it off, unplug it. So what's happening here is the current going into the light bulb is 0.22. But the current coming from the wall is 0.06. And the total voltage is 14.15 volts coming out of that transformer. And here's my calculations here. Excuse me. That's a proportion formula, 0.06 over 0.22 equals x over 100. And it calculates to 27.27%. You just subtract that from 100, and it means it saves 72.73% savings on current. So that's really good. It's even better than the transformers I worked with before. So in one of my upcoming videos, I'm going to have something very exciting to show you. It's going to be related to diagram 9 if you're aware of that in my previous videos when I showed that. So I hope you look forward to that. Thanks so much for watching.